Chapter 14 is about Donald Trump, and I did my video on his early life and preparing for presidency. Trump was born in 1946, which makes him a baby boomer. His grandfather was a German immigrant who came to the U.S. He came pretty poor, but he still was able to build a real estate empire in the Queens section of New York City with over 27,000 apartments, and he built barracks and apartments for the U.S. Navy along the coast. Trump learned how to negotiate with business partners, how to gain advantage over competitors, how to get local politicians to grant zoning and tax concessions, and how to make payoffs to politicians to gain those concessions. His preparation for running for politics: in 2000, he engaged a fake or pretend campaign when Al Gore ran against George W. Bush for George W. Bush's second when Al Gore ran against George W. Bush in the wake of George W. Bush's two-term presidency, Trump emerged from the fake campaign with a platform that he could use and update for his campaign in 2015-2016. He wooed white professionals who resonated to his populist campaign, and his crusade was later filled with racism, sexism, and xenophobia, just like Nixon's and Buchanan's. He added other themes such as terminating trade treaties to keep companies from exiting from the U.S. So that's Trump's early life and preparing for presidency before he became president of the U.S.